The president they think say they want spoiling regime.
Don't be regime.
No.
Nah, lie.
Now him the spoiler himself.
No. If they want spoil your regime, why be seen now only Christians in the kill?
Thank you.
You understand? Why be seen now only Christians they kill? If they want spoil your regime, they go they kill like Boko Haram. When people Boko Haram they start. When Boko Haram come they kill, say they be end, we just invade area, they shoot people for inside town anyhow. We go no see na Boko Haram. Why this one they select?
No, you know this is
now like people now.
No, they're not like Boko Haram. No, Boko Haram.
Now they want
wait. Now you want to say me? I want spoil Percy regime. I want spoil your regime. Then now my tribe go come
spoil your regime. My own brothers will come spoil your regime. You president make the president use him brain very well. His own people no go say, okay, my spoil your regime. Sure you understand?
I be to value cow pass us. More no, the way we go do
what if they happen now?
See, cow they spoil
of regime.
More
What if
just
they
for
don't
this.
set down?
Guys,
it has started.
It's not even the owner of the cow.
No, what happened? If you touch their cow, this is like a Fulani commando, Fulando. Then touch your cow, you go do clean. Wait till they happen, boy, you touch your cow, send boys. Umuna will come. You come with your locks, everything. Where is the community? Say, oh yeah, enter. Everybody that have come out from there, from that community that escaped, I didn't hear any single
the one that happened this
where's our cows?
Is it cow they touch?
They don't be cow.
No be cow they touch. Different ones are happening. Is it cow? The one happening only in Kaduna, is it cow they touch?
No.
See, sometimes, but
I see
you
it.
know why? Do you know?
I see the thing. See,
Do you know why?
state is PDP. This thing still happen.
So we dash them Plateau State.
No, APC and Benue is APC. This thing happen. Plateau and Benue.
The thing they say that member PDP better make them finish waiting there.
This is not opposition
because
this thing not
we know they even think of government
not
now.
Be really, see, not
when
be
everybody head shark.
No be political.
Even
No be political. No be opposition.
They go collect that now.
Now yours people that have come to do.
They no get house. If you go check now, you see them.
Okay.
Why house be that?
Okay, wait.
Inside later.
Let's agree with what the government say. Then talk say na Gaddafi forces.
Gaddafi.
Wait now, we agree. Oh yeah. Why is it you can label them but you can't catch them?
Which Gaddafi forces? Which
Gaddafi will not die.
Not the same Libya they cry for Gaddafi now.
Na them no.
Say Gaddafi
forces they never finish with Libya.
Wait now. Wait. No, not even that. More. Anybody get a map of Nigeria? Please tell me where Libya dey, where Nigeria dey? Wait. Where's Plateau and Benue?
No, they no want.
Wait,
no want me.
So then travel
central, not
okay.
Central.
Then travel. Wait, then travel from where? From Libya, past all this Nigerian places.
I'm telling you.
The weather for Plateau and this place they will so go claim them, even if not Libya forces. Mo, they
no, they just they talk.
The first thing where even they open mouth they say Libya of all countries.
Now look, you are
of all countries. Of all countries for Libya person to enter, na Nigeria where Nigerians even they wrong go Libya that time. Na Libya and they go come here. See, when we talk the truth, Nigeria is on fire.
This thing na persuade their higher.
Nigeria is on fire.
Na persuade their these guys na army then.
No be Fulani where they see with cow with a carry stick they walk.
No be those
ones. This one na person send them go do this work. Person hire them.
Na Fulani is one. No be this Fulani.
No be this same. Now wetin they talk for that interview.
So now wetin our president no wan understand.
This Fulani is the G after
he supposed to meet in men in Fulani brothers because they go get link to those ones because nobody go move from.
Mete Allah the person wey talk first wey be their spokesman.
You go see how you go call them.
Suppose arrest them.
On top say na lazy youth. Na the lazy youth go stand up. No be lazy youth dey work for you go.
Wait no. Yes, we are lazy. We gree. We are lazy. Oh yeah, you wey dey work. How could we never?
Why you know?
I never see any arrest. And the thing wey dey pay me the most is that Buhari was a military man. There's no how he can tell me. There's no how he can tell me he didn't learn any military tactics. In case opposition. I know if tell me I know agree because I know the time when you join military. Now the time when military day, strong men days, real soldiers day. So there's no how Buhari fit tell me say he don't know what to do. Plus he still leave me the person who is the head of military for Nigeria. He still leave that one. Nothing there happen. No results. So see, I don't want to
see chief of army staff. Buhari have to hold that man. Let me just tell you.
Change him.
IG. See, if it's to change those people, just Change them.
John.
See, immediately change this one. And
John,
this
this
not
thing
work well.
be named John.
You change this one.
I don't forget
See,
him.
if you like
And
me,
they
For America,
John,
this
eh,
guy- wait, mess.
I don't forget him. They
why would they be playing with our lives like that?
In military, I think it was the Navy. One American Navy ship go jam one other ship. Then sack the Oga when no even dey there.
The Oga of
The Oga of Navy sef.
Navy.
We don't even know
We
where.
don't even know where she
Maybe you know even they say.
no even dey
You know even the country
You
say.
no even dey there.
You know, see, I
Then
can't advanced countries. Why? See, that's why Nigeria we are left far behind. Imagine people have been
They are
dying.
not ready.
Yes. Okay, this man is not capable. It's just like somebody. It's just like you now giving an engineer a work, and then engineer do not construct that well. You change it and put another. If not, you construct something that at the end of the day,
people die.
People will die. This person is not working well.
Change
Please
him.
move. Another one should come. Let me try this one.
it's not
If
even
this
that.
one is not
How
working well, let
many
me
coach?
put
How
another
many coach do we see change in Nigeria
How many
football?
goal chances don't change for so far?
Thank you. You know I play. Come on now.
Imagine my person they carry trophy now, don't change them.
Oh,
She they say when the attack started, they took 3 hours after they send the call
That's
before
why they say military come
soldier.
there. So with me, how
Wait,
can
wait
your
till
best?
they use up-
How is your best response time?
Everybody arrange your team.
Why do you people don't go?
I keep hearing
That
them
thing
different
bad. See, that
excuses.
thing bad.
All not just excuse. I
Now
know
just excuse. See, they're not supposed to talk anything like that. As a military, when I know say this town is not, the Plateau State entirely is not safe. Things are happening in different local government always. Then you tell me that these things are happening for the past 3 hours before you
No,
guys.
just
Now,
imagine.
let me ask question.
You come clear person family. Then you think they go forgive you. Make them they do am, make them finish the work where they start.
No, man.
Because when the thing starts, where
Zigo.
they must carry on for help.
Let me talk two things. One, the first one I go talk now to the military. You want no fit tell me say helicopter no dey this country. Where they go? They go
that fly
Wait.
That one, no, that helicopter I get, but
I see they fly, my people house no dey safe.
See as the thing they pass house like say one for them.
Okay. In this thing, block engine don't finish.
You don't finish. Okay,
In
that is to
connect
show
road.
how the
So you know
people
if you move
are.
fast.
That's to show how you people are not
You go
serious.
even
One.
see.
Two.
Eh.
You know why these people when they enter they kill the whole family plus small children and everything. They
Because they
make
know,
sure
and
that small children
don't
they no
even
go
know anything
No, they no go. Their parents and other people go talk say these people kill your parents, kill this that anger. They go grow up. You know you watch Chinese film where they go keep person father, he go go train in 20 years.
Come back,
Then he go
come
come back, come meet the person wey kill father. Now so that wetin they do to make sure any form of opposition in the near future they cut am up there and there. They remove any hate. So make na just know how they do their thing. So this thing to truth be told, my advice to the whole Nigeria, if even people outside Nigeria, call your people, let them know country is not safe and military or police or no, they are not coming to your aid.
I'm telling you, the
Because
small
the
stick
people-
you have in your house is better than all those military police.
Because-
Us in Nigeria.
Because the people when they are coming, they are not coming to come and do testing with soldier. They come even if soldier dey there, they declare soldier.
they clear everybody.
Because one person was telling me that soldier dey place, the soldier didn't even shoot up in the air to scare them. Soldier tell them make dem run because the soldier don't even shoot in the air. If they shoot their own in the air, na once we go run. So man bullet wey I get man save am. So know this, no be pistol fights,
And
no be
see-
AK, na LMG big machine gun wey dey
Oh boy,
spray.
we
We dey call am grass cutter for here.
We no go lie ba. Wetin we dey face here ba, na exactly wetin dey happen for Sambisa.
Simple.
We no see, we dey face war. We dey face war for this state.
See
We dey face
small
war.
children no dey
And
sleep again.
see,
Because they carry
you know why see, more na use na brain now. Okay, Sambisa now they don una dey try block Sambisa.
They don
these
infiltrate.
people dey get brain. They don divert now.
Enter
They
enter
dey town now they finish us anyhow. Because the gun wey they dey on no be pa tu na krrrr abeg we dey tell our government.
Rapid
The way they spend money for Meduguri, abeg make they spend money for our state here. Abeg we wan make we live in peace.
no be checkpoint o
No be
checkpoint no dey
no,
stop
no,
this
no,
one
no.
because I don't think they dey follow road.
Abeg
They no dey follow
make we
road.
live in peace. If they no fit, see e get the way they go mobilize people wey be say all these things go stop.
Civilian JTF.
E get the way una go mobilize at least call the youth. You understand?
Amos.
Like maybe see like
Train us.
Thank God some community are much more wiser now. They have all this vigilante.
You see,
You understand?
these are something that the force see. The
It's
force
not like the vigilante
cannot
should
carry
go
everything
because of
alone.
anything.
No,
You understand? Let the vigilante be there to give alert.
See, no,
That is
okay.
just it.
Are we going to forget about this group name because someone said they are close to 2,000? Let's reduce to 1,000. Are we going to forget that there's 1,000 group of well-armed people in this country without the military have catch
with this state,
in this state?
one local government,
They are chilling now, well-armed. If they say they are moving
1,000
to the
men
next,
came and operate, and no man is here.
no, now I haven't seen one they have catch.
Then what are you expecting? What are they planning for next? We should forget about it now. Okay, they say we should forget about
Every
it.
community,
Next, it might be
you are not safe.
It might be the other
As
person.
long as these people are out there, you are not
they
safe.
go talk. Is under investigation. Everybody should stay.
Do not stay calm. Do not stay calm. Any man that tells you under investigation, stay calm.
We have set up a committee, 7-man committee. You know they pass 7-man committee now.
And now 7 days.
Now ways to chop money for
See.
the associate for the country.
Between now
Abeg,
and next
Mr.
month, if
President.
they haven't catch them,
Now we,
You are
you know, if you know how to suffer for line, they tell us a change you will achieve.
we never say our
Every day we
5K.
talk me my 5,000. I see
For
that
son.
you never pay my 5,000. Now so we did line.
I never see my type of murderer.
we blow ourselves so that we will elect to go there.
That they are
See, we don't carry you now, give you. We don't walk suffer, give you the president.
You don't forget us.
They don't they kill us.
You don't forget us.
Don't forget us. You don't forget us. You go just
All
come.
these men, when
Come
they
to
get
face,
money-
go back.
Allah
They
zai
get money.
tsine mai mugunta garin nan.
We don't talk our mind.
Mun gode.
Don't talk our mind.
So, please, if you like what we are
The
doing,
kind money they spend for Meduguri, I bet they can't spend years.
let them spend half. You go meet Trump. Trump say he's giving you helicopters. Where are the helicopters? Where are they?
We need some
They sell am for
Even one is enough. One Apache helicopter will do work because Trump has promised us that they make the best helicopter in the world. So one helicopter is enough.
to mun gode.
So-
If president, if the things go pass your power, we are available. Please arm us. That's all. Kabamu kayan boy mutashi wuta.
Well, no, we don't. We
Even
won't
though
go and
na
fight.
lion
It's to
den,
protect
person dey go
ourselves.
pull them out.
Because
No be to protect, we dey go pull them out.
Pull
Even
them
to
out.
see.
No be say
No
we
be
go
only
pull them
jazz.
out. Say
Everybody get jazz.
Wute they have
Everybody
been
get
taken
jazz.
to court for judgment.
No.
Pap, go bye bye. We know say na you. Now wetin they just need.
you know,
if you say they
all right, stop, done, stop,
na
stop,
rubbish.
Thank you, everybody out there for watching this video. As you can see, we are not trying to make jokes or crack jokes because this is not a joking matter. It's no way we go. Even though we might be here to entertain you guys here, but lives matter, okay? Lives. Even if it's not our state, we will talk because we know how it is in our own state. It doesn't have. It's Nigeria. Anyway, please. If you have anybody out there who you think should listen to this video, please share to them, like if you actually like what we're talking about, and if this is your first time, please subscribe. Until next week, thank you very much.